Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, January 28th and 29th, 2017. For your Saturday, we're going to have some early flurries, and that's going to be just in our far northwestern zones here. I do think the most of the day is going to be basically partly to mostly cloudy. More sun will be further southeast and more clouds further northwest. So not really a bad day. Temperatures are going to be pretty close to what they were yesterday, maybe a couple degrees cooler. The same thing will hold true for Sunday. I don't think you're going to get temperatures too far straying from normal, what the normal high is supposed to be for this time of year. So we're going to be hanging right around normal highs for this time of year, but we will have a fairly dry weekend, just the expectations for a few flurries in the far interior. So we go ahead to Sunday here. You can see we have a series of waves that are going to come through here. We have a very progressive northern stream right now. And let me go over to the upper level chart just to show you what that looks like. You can see a very fast northern stream. That's this right here. This is your northern jet stream. Very, very fast. So you have these little tiny impulses that are going to ride like every single day. That's going to basically ride this train track basically along the northern stream. Very weak though, because southern stream's down here and there's no connection between the northern and southern streams. So in order to get any kind of bigger storms from this, you would need more amplification. And that means you need a lot of this here, like this. Troughs and ridges, and we just don't have that. So any storms that are going to be coming through, or any waves I should say, that are coming through the first week, or almost the full first week of February, are going to be these fast clipper type systems. So they're not going to really do too much. So we go over to the surface map again. Here's the first opportunity. GFS is showing this little system here. Hard to see without a surface reflection here, but there could be a few snow showers that occur with that as that little piece of energy moves through. This will be Sunday night into early Monday. You can just see a few light snow showers very randomly scattered across the region. Not a big deal. Most of it will be flurries, and you probably expect at most a coating or so across some isolated areas. Not a big deal. Second one is a stronger system moving off to the north. Now this is going to have a cold front with it, and this is here's your area low pressure. They have a cold front sitting here back here like this. This is going to come through, and when it does, ahead of it, it's going to warm up a little bit. So you're going to have temperatures actually slightly above normal here by the time you get to Tuesday into Wednesday until this comes through, and this will bring its cold front through. And for mainly the northern areas, I think closest to the area of best forcing, which is obviously closer to the area of low pressure, you could have some snow showers. Maybe get a coating an inch across the far northern areas out of this one. This is also not a big deal, just like we've talked about. Everything's so quickly moving in and out. You see it's gone already. As we get into Wednesday, we have another trailing system here that could produce a period of snow showers or even some light snow, give you another coating to an inch. Except for the far southern areas, I do think this is going to be a rain-snow mix down here further south. But above here, you can definitely get a coating to an inch across some areas, especially across northeastern Pennsylvania in those colder spots. But none of this is a big deal. And we're now into the third system. There might actually be a fourth wave that comes through here. This is shown here coming in the Friday time frame. Euro has this on Thursday. So again, another one of these little weak waves, a couple snow showers from it, and that's it. When do we change this pattern? It looks like once we get around the Super Bowl or the day after, we do have the opportunity for a bigger storm here with high pressure in place here. There's going to be a very interesting setup here because we have what looks like it could be either of an overrunning. This might be too far south here in the GFS, and I don't want anybody taking this for granted because this is going to change a million times. We're now talking about the following weekend until the beginning of the following week. So this is now 9 days away. So this is not something to take for granted right now or take verbatim, but the models are hinting at cold high pressure being locked in somewhere over New England, and then you have some overrunning rain or snow coming into the region here. Snow obviously favored for the interior, but the GFS is actually playing this a little more aggressively and turning this into almost a coastal event here, at least on the 18Z GFS that we're showing here. So a lot of different possibilities. Don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Just a couple of these little short waves coming through here that are going to allow for a few snow showers to be in the air over the next several days, beginning Sunday night and going through about Wednesday, maybe even a little longer to Thursday or maybe even Friday. So during the work week, you'll have those opportunities for periods of snow showers, but not really amounting to much. We'll deal with the next system as we get a lot closer, and we'll probably start talking about that a little bit more in depth as we get into next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for the weekend, January 28th and 29th, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.